Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add the before page to your notebook in Kilonotes. Open the app and then click on your notebook. Here is my cover, here is the first page and here is the second page. Let's suppose that I would like to have another page before this one, so I just click on the sign here with the plus on the right and click on before page and choose the type I would like, for example the dotted one. And if we go back we can see that here is my pink page, and before that there is another page, so we've been successful. Hope it helps for you too, and have a nice day.